So now we're using a glazed pot, and the interesting thing with glazed pots is you have all these other colour options that you can bring in that can match your doorway or your other balcony furniture, or again you can provide contrast if you don't want to complement. Crocks in the bottom, compost in. Again, fill it about 2/3 up the way. That gives us enough space to get the rest of the plant roots in. And what I'm doing today is I'm using a pittosporum, which is traditionally used as a shrub. It's an evergreen plant that's welded in. So what I'm using today is a pittosporum. It's a wonderful evergreen shrub that actually has a beautiful fragrance. So this is a way of adding fragrance now into your container options. And one of the old traditionals is ornamental cabbage, which I think contrasts really well with modern ideas of adding in grasses and bedding into plants. Again, here we can just tease out some of the roots. To go a little bit funky, we can use a grass. And grass has that interesting texture. You know, it not only provides us with interesting autumnal and winter colour, the silvery tones here works really well with the choices of plants that we're putting in. We could use another tall grass just off centre to the side here. We can use stuff like ivy as spillers. You know, we can plant it in to spill over the side. I'm going to use it here on the shadier side. Thread it through. And then for any gaps that may be in there, we can again use a wonderful heuchera. The great thing about heucheras are they come in all different colours, but they're perennial plants, which means they'll come back year after year. Just shortening some of the roots so that it'll fit in. Again, we can pack it down in nice and tight. We can remove one or two of the leaves, just to allow the ornamental cabbage to show through. And then if we wanted to add in extra pops of colour, we can use stuff like cyclamen. So cyclamen, again, we can see here there's a kind of a colour theme going on, where we have silvers and variegation in the leaves. And that wonderful fuchsia pink just makes the whole thing pop. So that's our fragrant winter autumnal planter to cheer up the cheeriest doorway.